Hey guys, Kimmy the G here. Please like, share, and subscribe if this is your first time to my channel. I'm just out here on a walk in nature. But I'm just sitting on this bench enjoying. You guys should go out in nature. This is awesome. And I'm sitting here and listening to the sounds. It's so relaxing. And then I look down and there's like 3 dragonflies just sitting here with me. So I'm gonna see if I can turn this around. Maybe I can't. Okay. But, oh gosh. How can I get these dragonflies so I can show you guys? But look. There's one right there. You see it? They're blue. Turquoise. Oh, look it. You see them? You see them? They're just dancing around me. And then there's one over there in the corner. 3 dragonflies. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 4. Oh, there's one right here. Oh, that's a beetle. No, thank you, beetle. Oh, it landed right here on me. There's a beetle right here on me. You see it? Oh my gosh. Hey, beetle. Hey, beetle. Hey, beetle. And that's a turquoise too. Okay, bye, beetle. No, thank you. Okay. Oh, there's the 3rd one. Dragonflies, metamorphosis. Okay. I don't know what's going on, but this is crazy. Look at that dragonfly. They just came over here and they were like, okay, we're going to hang out with you. I don't even like bugs, but you know, and when I was a child care teacher, I was one for 7 years. You know, it's right there. My classroom, I had infants. It was my first classroom. They were called the Dragonflies. Isn't that crazy? We were called the Dragonflies. My first room out of college, my first classroom was called Dragonflies. Years ago. But anyways, let's go over here. This is where the real scenery is at. Look at this. Look at that. It's a freaking stork. Okay? Do you see that stork out there? Do you see the stork? Y'all. Storks are not even indigenous to the Midwest. There is a stork in the water. Just chilling. You see it get in the water? Oh my God, storks are in Florida, not here. I saw a stork a year ago. It flew right over my head of my house, literally like a foot above my head. Here's this beetle again. Beetle, go away. There's a stork out there. Do you see it? Storks are not supposed to be here. That's crazy. It's hunting for fish. That's nuts. It's like they migrated to the Midwest. Look at that butterfly. It just flew right past me. A monarch. This is crazy. I don't know what's going on right now. I just don't know what's happening. There's a stork in the water. Beetles are landing on me. Monarch butterflies are flying around me. I don't know what's happening in my life right now. Great things are coming. A migration. There's a stork that freaking is in the water. This beautiful stream behind me in nature. You see the stork? Hunting for food. I don't... You see it walking? You see that stork? Beetle, come on, quick. Now you playing. Look at the stork. Let me make sure he's in. Let me see. Make sure the stork is in. Is the stork? Is the stork in the camera? Let me make sure. Let me make sure. The stork is in the camera. Stork. Oh my goodness. Where is the stork? He's towards the middle. Right over there. You see him walking? You see him? Oh my God. That is crazy. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna stop this and I'm gonna turn my camera around because I don't freaking know how to do it right now. And I'm gonna turn it around and record this stork because this is just amazing to me. Like, I feel like I'm in National Geographic. So please like, share, and subscribe. This is Kimmy the G's Live. I gotta turn this around and record this story because this is just freaking amazing. All right, 7:07, I'm out. Bye.